MetaMask manages your Ethereum wallet. You can store Ether and other ERC tokens in your MetaMask wallet and interact with decentralized applications, dApps.
Apart from allowing users easy and secure access to funds, there are some useful MetaMask tips and tricks that users can use. Below content set custom token connect hardware wallet custom network customize gas fee connected sites cancel transactions on MetaMask add custom token. You can add any custom token by providing the contract address of the token.
You can get a token contract address from Etherscan. Example, see the below steps to add the TOMO token. Fill the following details: contract address, XDDC FBB XBDA FABA token symbol, TOMO decimal, 18. You can now see the TOMO token in the account. Connect hardware wallet. You can connect your Ledger or Trezor wallet with the MetaMask wallet. Custom network. One of the best MetaMask tips and tricks is that you can connect with different networks through MetaMask. MetaMask allows users to set up custom RPRI by providing a few details. Example, you can Connecticut. You can read full post on CryptoFans. News, link available in text below.